makes Illinois Toolworks a key player in the industrial world? And why should you consider it for your investment portfolio? ITW's innovative solutions, global reach, and strong market position make it a solid investment opportunity in the industrial sector. In this video, we'll explore Illinois Toolworks, Inc., a global leader in industrial solutions. We'll discuss its mission and vision, dive into its impressive financials, and look at the company's leadership and growth potential. Next, we'll explore ITW's sustainability efforts, its key products and services, and its position within the industrial sector. We'll also cover the public sentiment surrounding ITW and identify key risks and opportunities for the company moving forward. Founded in 1912, Illinois Toolworks, Inc., ITW, is a leading manufacturer in the industrial sector, providing innovative solutions to a wide array of markets worldwide. Mission: to partner with customers to solve critical problems and create value. Vision: to be the premier diversified industrial company delivering essential solutions for the world's most demanding customers. In 2022, Illinois Toolworks reported $15.6 billion in revenue and a market cap of $75 billion, with an impressive earnings per share of $7.95. Under the leadership of E. Scott Santee, ITW has expanded globally while maintaining a strong focus on operational excellence. ITW's growth potential is driven by global expansion and continuous innovation in industrial automation and packaging solutions. Illinois Toolworks is committed to reducing its carbon footprint through energy-efficient manufacturing processes and eco-friendly products. ITW's flagship products include advanced automotive parts, construction tools, packaging solutions, and food processing equipment. ITW holds a strong market position with a diverse product portfolio and a leading presence in industrial automation and manufacturing. ITW enjoys strong customer loyalty thanks to its reliable and high-quality products. Investors are positive about ITW's consistent performance and strong growth prospects. Recent announcements indicate ITW's focus on further global expansion and technological innovation. ITW faces risks from global economic downturns and market volatility, which could affect its growth. Geopolitical instability, particularly in emerging markets, could disrupt ITW's supply chain. Increasing competition in industrial sectors poses a challenge to ITW's market dominance. Illinois Toolworks focuses on providing operational excellence and value-added solutions to its customers. ITW is driving the industrial automation revolution with innovative technologies that improve productivity and efficiency. ITW's commitment to sustainability and reducing environmental impact sets it apart in the industry. Interested in learning more about Illinois Toolworks and its role in the industrial sector? Hit subscribe to stay updated on ITW's innovations and growth. Why is Illinois Toolworks a company worth investing in? ITW's strong market position, continuous innovation, and commitment to sustainability make it a compelling investment opportunity.